Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Apple Music not playing. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, make sure your device has a stable internet connection by opening a website or another streaming app. If the connection is weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off to refresh the network. Close the Apple Music app completely and reopen it to restart the playback process. Restart your device to clear temporary glitches that can stop audio from playing. Check if Apple Music servers are down by searching Apple System Status and confirming music is green. Open Settings. Go to Music and make sure Sync Library is turned on if you use iCloud Music Library. If Sync Library is on, toggle it off. Wait 10 seconds and toggle it back on to refresh your library. In Settings, go to Music, tap Cellular Data, and ensure Apple Music is allowed to use data if you are not on Wi-Fi. In Settings, go to Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, and confirm music is not restricted. Open Apple Music. Try playing a different song, album, or playlist to rule out a single broken track. If a specific downloaded song fails, delete the download and re-download it to fix corrupted offline files. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth off to ensure audio is not routing to another device. If you use AirPlay, tap the AirPlay icon and select iPhone or built-in speakers to force correct output. Increase volume and check the mute switch or focus modes to confirm audio is not silenced. Open Settings. Go to Sounds and Haptics and verify your volume and ringer settings are normal. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap General, tap Software Update, and install the latest iOS or iPadOS update. On Mac, open System Settings, go to General, Software Update, and install available macOS updates. Update the Apple Music app if you are on Android or Windows by checking the Play Store or Microsoft Store. Sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh authorization for Apple Music playback. To do this on iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, scroll down, tap Sign Out, then sign in again. Make sure your subscription is active by checking Settings, your name, subscriptions, and confirm Apple Music is not expired. Disable any VPN or ad-blocking DNS temporarily because it can interfere with Apple Music streaming. Check your date and time settings and enable Set Automatically to avoid authentication errors. Free up storage space because low storage can break downloads and app performance. Reset network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset. Then reset network settings. If the issue continues, uninstall Apple Music if possible or remove and reinstall the app to clear damaged app data. Contact Apple support and share your device model, iOS version, and what steps you tried if nothing works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.